You probably would have heard that Tesla bought $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and that they're planning to start accepting it as payment for Tesla products. What do you think its impact will be on cryptocurrency? If you want to know the answer, make sure to watch this video until the end. Hello, future billionaires! Welcome to Stock Investing 101, the channel where you get stock inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. In today's video, we bring you Tesla buys $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and plans to start accepting it as payment products. Without any further ado, let's dive in. Elon Musk is the richest person right now thanks to Tesla. You'll all be knowing about Tesla. But still, in case there are people who aren't familiar with Tesla, let's talk about that first. The EV cars came to this world with a boom, and Tesla has been leading the race for a long time. Tesla was founded in 2003, and the company develops, designs, manufactures, and markets high-performance, technologically advanced electric cars, and solar energy generation and energy storage products. Tesla released its first electric car, Roadster, in 2008. They sell more than 5 fully electric cars, and these are among the world's top-selling electric cars. These cars are fully electric and fuel efficient. They recharge their lithium-ion batteries from an outlet. Since 2016, Tesla's autopilot self-driving technology hardware has been available on all Tesla models. Tesla operates mainly in 2 segments, the automobile industry and in energy generation. The automotive segment generates about 85% of its sales. This segment involves sales and leasing of electric vehicles as well as sales of automotive regulatory credits. The company's energy generation and storage segment makes and also sells stationary energy storage products and solar energy systems to residential and small commercial customers. Its Powerwall lithium-ion battery with an integrated inverter system is designed to store energy at home or in a small commercial facility. In 2020, Tesla reported a profit of $721 million on about $31.5 billion in sales, which was supported by the increase in deliveries and higher revenue from regulatory credits. That compares with an $862 million loss and sales of $24.6 billion in 2019. Now, Bitcoin is a digital currency, and it was created in January 2009. It is the most popular cryptocurrency right now. All Bitcoin transactions are verified by a massive amount of computing power. Bitcoins are not issued or backed by any banks or governments, nor are individual Bitcoins valuable as a commodity. Despite it not being legal tender, Bitcoin is very popular and has triggered the launch of hundreds of other cryptocurrencies. Tesla announced on Monday that it had bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Tesla also announced that it plans to begin accepting the digital currency as payment for its high-end vehicles soon. This would make Tesla the first major automaker to do so. The $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin will give Tesla liquidity in the cryptocurrency once it starts accepting it for payments. The company said that it purchased the Bitcoin for more flexibility to further diversify and maximize returns on our cash. The founder of Galaxy Digital, Mike Novogratz, sees this as a pioneering move, and he feels that other companies will soon adopt this. Tesla's move into Bitcoin represents an investment of a significant percentage of its cash in the investment. According to its most recent filing, the company had more than $19 billion in cash and cash equivalents on hand at the end of 2020. This move has also led to the rise of certain questions around Elon Musk's recent behavior on Twitter, where he's been credited for increasing the prices of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Dogecoin by posting positive messages that have encouraged more people to buy these digital currencies. Just 2 weeks ago, he added the hashtag Bitcoin to his Twitter bio. This move helped to briefly push up the cryptocurrency price by as much as 20%. Bitcoin has attracted enthusiasts for its scarcity and security, but the volatile digital currency still is not widely used to pay for goods and services. It's mostly being considered as a store of value, like gold, with very few merchants like Overstock accepting Bitcoin for payment. It's also used by those distrustful of the banking system or criminals seeking to launder money. We can't yet be sure if other major companies will follow Tesla's lead in investing in Bitcoin or accepting it for transactions is unclear. A car is considered a large purchase by the majority of people, which would make Bitcoin a better fit to pay for it, but the wild price swings in Bitcoin could be a significant risk to any merchant who decided to accept it. Anthony Michael Sabino said that even though Bitcoin might be coming into greater acceptance as a currency, it is still not cash. I guess we can agree with that. Even with Tesla's support, it could take some time before those who've made money investing in Bitcoin use it to buy a car. Many experts believe that it's just a matter of time before Bitcoin finds more widespread use in transactions. We have no option but to wait and see whether or not Tesla will get a definitive competition advantage in accepting Bitcoin. The automaker could also be simply investing in Bitcoin because Musk has been known to have eclectic tastes. Virginia-based MicroStrategy Inc. also announced in August, just like Tesla, that it would use some of the excess cash on its balance sheet to invest in alternative assets such as Bitcoin. The move has paid off so far. As of February 2nd, the business analytics company said it held 71,079 bitcoins that it purchased for an aggregate price of $1.15 billion since last summer. Using a value of $44,500, those bitcoins are worth $3.16 billion. Since August, MicroStrategy shares have risen 660%. After documents filed with the SEC on Monday, which revealed that Tesla invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, shares of Tesla jumped as much as 2%, while Bitcoin soared 16% to all-time highs of $44,795.2. Tesla warned investors of the volatility of Bitcoin's price in its SEC filing. The Tesla filing also went on to say, "We may invest a portion of such cash in certain alternative reserve assets, including digital assets, gold bullion, gold exchange-traded funds, and other assets as specified in the future." Another digital asset on which Mark has set his eye in recent days is the cryptocurrency based on a dog meme, Dogecoin. Dogecoin's prices doubled last week after Musk's tweet backing up the company. But there are also risks associated with buying cryptocurrencies laid out in Tesla's SEC filing. Keeping those risks in mind, Tesla said that when it ultimately accepts Bitcoin as a form of payment for its products, it may or may not liquidate it upon receipt, according to the filing. This move could also put more momentum into shares of Tesla as more investors start to value the company's Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exposure as part of the overall valuation. However, in the past, Elon Musk has gotten into trouble for his market-moving tweets. But it's unclear how that applies to his tweets about cryptocurrencies. Recently, the SEC had charged Musk with fraud in 2018 for his tweets about taking the company private at $420 per share. Musk then ultimately settled with the SEC, and he was forced to give up his role as chairman of the company's board and pay a $20 million fine on top of another $20 million fine for the company itself. As we said, earlier, Bitcoin soared 16% to all-time highs of $44,795.2. After it fell back to $30,000 in recent weeks, Bitcoin prices hit a new high of $44,900 following the news, even though it gave up some gains. By 4 p.m. on Monday, Bitcoin traded near $42,000 versus about $39,000 before the Tesla news. Among Bitcoin stocks, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which tracks Bitcoin price movements, surged 21%. PayPal added 4.7% and Square rallied 8.15%. Marathon Patent Group soared 42% and Riot Blockchain shot up 40%. The Tesla stock, which had already soared more than 700% last year, had a rise of around 2% to 863.2 on the stock market. PayPal launched a service that lets customers buy, hold, and sell Bitcoin from their PayPal account in October. It is also making it available as a funding source for purchases at its merchants worldwide. In October, Square also announced the purchase of $50 million in Bitcoin, saying it has the potential to become more ubiquitous in the future. The move came after its Cash App began allowing Bitcoin trades in 2018. Many other companies have also joined the cryptocurrency trend recently, which brought it to the mainstream investors. Massachusetts Mutual Life Insurance purchased $100 million in Bitcoin for its general investment fund. Visa is planning to offer a credit card that lets users earn money back in the form of Bitcoin. If you'd like to stay up to date with the best and latest content about stocks and entrepreneurship, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like on the video. Did you find this video valuable, or do you want to add anything? Make sure to let us know in the comment section down below. We're posting a new video every day with the most undervalued stocks in the market right now.